All right, it's Thursday, July 11th. Just following up on the CRM, I decided to exit this trade with a base hit gain. I bought it here at the low blue line. I was trying to scale out here at the upper blue line. I just missed it. And then once I saw the market breaking down and I saw this stock kind of, pausing, I decided to exit here at the middle blue line, essentially. So bought the stock here 253.59. I was trying to get out at 255.50. I just missed that. So I exited some at 254.50, point higher, and then 254.36. Overall, small gain on this trade. And the market itself is kind of breaking down. Here are the QQQs to the downside. I have some puts on that are working out nicely. This is the one stock that at least, pattern-wise is kind of bucking the trend. I mean, most stocks have been up, and they're pulling back. This one's been down, and now has its two-up day. That as long as it holds the midpoint of this first bar from yesterday, I still think there's a secondary buy potential to head up today, but we'll find that out. I'll just kind of watch it for here. If we hold the midpoint of this bar, in other words, and have a green bar up, we could be testing those highs again. We are still in two-up mode after this hammer bar to work up to some of these targets. But for now, given the market, is pulling back a little bit, it's still looking pretty strong here, even though it's pulling back itself. If it could hold here, it could be a secondary buy to the upside. But I just didn't want to, mess around with it, given the market looks weak, a lot of stocks. So we'll see, what happens with this one. It's kind of, charting its own course here after a hammer bar yesterday and trying to head higher. So anyway, base hit gain, as long as it holds the midpoint of this first bar, maybe it gets a secondary bar to the upside. We'll watch for that. If not, though, just a small gain this morning on Salesforce.